it shut off.
This app is acting
as
up.
a dating app might be,
really sick
and
of
apply
that.
that to the market for financial advice.
App doesn't
Federal Advisor Match,
upload
just like a dating app. It builds profiles to advise on who to advise.
Clients go through a quick process to tell us a little bit about how they'd like to receive advice and about their personality.
Zeke says his firm's app won't be the last of its kind because right now, with the market kind of scary, it's the perfect time to offer help.
Digital revolution is enabling that, and the need is there.
We check your money at 20 and 50 after every hour. I'm Bloomberg's Andrew O'Day from the California Deluxe Windows Money Desk, KNX News 97.1 FM.
This study says there's a controversy over colonoscopies. We'll have more of that for you in just about a minute and a half. It's 11:21.
The voices you trust are on LA's Morning News.
I know how important it is to get to work on time, to get to see that mother that you haven't seen in a long time, to get out of town because you need a vacation. I just hope that people will know they are important to me. I know it's traffic, but I care about what you're going through.
Here's Jennifer York on LA's Morning
Have I told
News.
you I love you lately?
Weekdays on KNX News 97.1 FM.
Every year, we say we'll wake up earlier, exercise more, really rest, and eat healthier. It's hard for us, but for dogs, not so much. Dogs are up at dawn, run for fun, sleep like champs, and they love eating fresh, healthy food every single meal. Give your dog another healthy habit. Real fresh food from the Farmer's Dog. Get 50% off your first box at thefarmersdog.com/radio.
We love lazy Sunday mornings in bed. The paper, fresh coffee.
I made the coffee.
And when it's time to buy a new mattress, we wanted to choose from a big selection.
And we found it at Sleepwear.
Now, Sunday mornings are more comfortable than ever.
Although, I still have to make the coffee.
Find your mattress story at Mancini's Sleep World and get a free adjustable base with select mattresses. Save big on our huge selection of Tempur-Pedic, Stearns & Foster, Beauty Rest, and more. Come into any of our Bay Area stores or visit sleepworld.com.
When searching for a plumbing or AC expert, search Gettle.com.
11:23, a top official with the American Cancer Society tells KNX she has a very different take on the situation as far as this new study that downplays the benefits of colonoscopies.
Researchers in Norway compared people who had a colonoscopy to people who didn't in a randomized trial. Meager benefits for the people they invited to have the procedure. But Dr. Karen Knutson, Chief Executive Officer of the American Cancer Society, says the key words here are people invited.
So when you actually look at the data within the study, about 60% of those that invitation declined. So they didn't actually have a colonoscopy, so we wouldn't really expect the outcomes to be different between those that were invited and didn't do it and those that didn't have the invitation.
Dr. Knutson says in a roundabout way, this study actually helps drive home the importance of getting a colonoscopy. Chris Seaton's KNX News 97.1 FM.
Research done to develop COVID vaccines might help advance the development of a cancer vaccine.
Dr. Oslo Teresi, one half of the German team working on a cancer vaccine, says she's cautious.
As scientists, we are always hesitant to say we will have a cure for cancer. We have a number of breakthroughs and we will continue to work on them.
Still, she tells the BBC progress is being made every day.
Every step, every patient we treat in our cancer trials helps us to find out more.
And she adds a cancer vaccine could be available by the end of the decade. Linda Kenyon, CBS News.
You could call it TV streaming overload. Many people saying there are just too many shows out there. And you probably can't watch them all, or you don't want to get invested in a new series. But talking with KNX about possibly having too much of a good thing, Mark Malkin of Variety.
Listen, it's my job to keep up with it, and I can't keep up with it. Day I put on a streamer and I'm like, oh, this series is season 5? I never even heard of it. So it's a lot to keep up with. I think there is going to have to be some sort of reckoning of figuring out, like, yes, it's amazing. There's this great content. There are more voices being heard. But is it content big? Or is it truly like, okay, these are things that people are watching?
Streamers and channels in the coming future. Coming up at the bottom of the hour, have the very latest on the bus strike that has now been averted in Orange County. More on that coming up for you 5 minutes at 11:30. It is 11:25 at KNX News, 97.1 FM. Here's Liz Towers.
Heights, that is still working on the 110 north at the Avenue 43 off-ramp. The right lane is shut down. This is for a vehicle on its side. And then there's still some on there on the 10 west and the south 710 connector in East LA, Alhambra area. A small pickup truck at the end of the transition road. That has all lanes open. All lanes were closed for a while. So the good news there is it's all clear. Now let's go to Malibu, where we've had a beachside fire going on in Malibu. This is a PCH and South PCH between Temescal Canyon and Chautauqua Road. The LAPD is running traffic control there. I do believe there's only one lane open, or one side open, the northbound side, so they're doing that traffic control there until that fire is out and completely done. Next report is coming up at 11:35 in the Irvine Auto Center, 24-hour traffic center.
Oh, let's take a look at some temperatures for you at the moment. We're looking at Fontana. We're at 61 degrees. In Glendora, 63. 57 in Arleta. And now in Huntington Beach at 62 at 11:27. At KNX News at 97.1 FM.
Individual rates, coverage, offerings, and savings may vary, subject to terms and conditions, not available in all areas. If you're a small business owner, listen up. Pi Insurance wants to give you one of those aha moments, the kind that could save you money. Workers' comp is probably one of the biggest costs you face. But did you know that insurance providers have flexibility in setting their prices? That's right, but many don't bother giving small businesses the savings you deserve. Instead, you can get lumped in with other businesses and overcharged. Pi Insurance was created to change that. With Pi, you get a quote tailored specifically to your business, and you could save up to 30% with no hassle and no hidden fees. And with helpful representatives just a call away, it's easy to understand why Pi is rated excellent by customers on Trustpilot. Insurance. Ask your agent for Pi or go to trypi.com. That's TRYPIE.com.
Hey there, it's Brian Douglas. If you struggle with CPAP, you would probably do just about anything for a good night's sleep. Now, Inspire can help you get the sleep you've been dreaming of. Inspire. It's an implanted device that treats sleep apnea with the click of a remote. Inspire. Sleep apnea innovation. No mask, no hose, just sleep. Inspire's doctor to see if it's right for you and review important safety information at Inspire Sleep.
More time with patients and less time on paperwork. Join the One Medical Seniors team in Phoenix or Tucson and go all in for better primary care. We've partnered with Iora Primary Care to transform senior healthcare with a focus on meaningful time with patients and our own technology to simplify the workday. Integrated care team with no productivity pressures. Visit onemedical.com/careers to learn more and to apply.
We love lazy Sunday mornings in bed. The paper,
I make the coffee.
When it's time to buy a new mattress, we wanted to choose from a big selection.
And we found it at Sleep World.
Now, Sunday mornings are more comfortable than ever.
Although, I still have to make the coffee.
Find your mattress story at Mancini's Sleep World and get a free adjustable base with select mattresses. Save big on our huge selection of Tempur-Pedic, Stearns & Foster, Beauty Rest, and more. Come into any of our Bay Area stores or visit sleepworld.com.
The Smell Good Plumbers at Mike Diamond will unclog your drain for $9. Having your stoppage unstopped by these aroma-friendly technicians can save you money, prevent flooding inside your home, and remove all unnecessary worry from your life. Your drain will drain more efficiently, your pipes will flow smoother, and your faith in mankind will be restored. This $99 unstopped line sewer stoppages in all 5 coronary arteries. Schedule an appointment. Diamond Plumber will show up on time, act professional, and smell better than a new car wrapped in bacon. Get back to life sooner, focus on things that really matter, and avoid the unsanitary atrocities of Bubba the Butt Crack Plumber. No Bubba's here, ma'am. Got a clogged drain? Reference the $99 stoppage page at thesmellgoodplumber.com. Then call 800-446-MIKE. Contractor license number 370.
This is Mike Diamond, and I guarantee my plumber will show up on time and smell good, or your house call is